Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how you can easily remove background noise from your voice in Voicemod beta on Mac. So it's very simple and straightforward guys. I will show you now how to do it step by step. So first thing you need to keep in mind is that you can't do this here on this screen. As you can see, my voice has changed. So go over to Voice Enhancer. If you don't have it down here, then just search for it. In the search bar, go voice, and as you can see, voice enhancer has appeared, and click on that. You can also click on this heart, and then you can always find it in your favorites as well. And then if you want to get rid of background noise, just simply click on this voice inspector while voice enhancer selected, click on it, and right here you can see voice reduction. So when I hear myself, I can reduce as you can see, when I reduce it, I will go back to 0, but I will recommend something about 10 to 20, not more really, depending on your microphone, but still. So thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.